Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. I post 1 to 2 videos every week, all beauty related content. So if you like the video, please like it, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I post something new. Today's video, I just wanted to do a quick, really easy tip, I guess, that I've been trying to grow my eyelashes longer. So you can see them here. They're quite long, and I do curl them myself. I have been for about a year. I'll link that video below if you're interested in knowing about that. But this is just with mascara on, so it's pretty good for natural lashes. And the tip that I have, you don't have to go out and buy like a crazy lash serum that's really expensive or anything. It's more of a do-it-yourself. So you'll only need 2 things for this video. Or sorry, for this tip. So you'll just need a mascara that you're using, and it's best if you use a new mascara because then it has the full amount of product in it. So I'm using this Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour mascara. I love it. I've tried it on in my most recent makeup tutorial, so I'll link it if you're interested. But right when I had this new, used this. And the second thing is 100% pure essential lavender oil. You want to make sure it's 100% pure with no fillers or anything in it. So this one's really good. I'll also link a couple down below that I've tried too. You can actually find them you can find essential oils a lot more affordable online, I think, than you can in stores. And all that you do is when you have a brand new mascara, the very first time you open it, I guess you could try it on an old mascara if you wanted to too. But from what I've researched, the new one is the best because the essential oil is so strong. You only want to put 1 or 2 drops in there. So 1 or 2 drops is sufficient for this full amount of mascara, like a full tube. If you put too much of this, it could change the way that the mascara works and the consistency of it and stuff. So you just take a new mascara, you open it up, you pour in 1, 2 drops just right into your mascara, put the wand in, kind of roll it around, shake it up, bring the wand in and out, not several times because I'll dry it out, but just as you do it. And you'll notice that your mascara smells so good. It smells like lavender. And the reason that this works from the research that I've done is that lavender is antiseptic, so it kills any kind of bacterias or, this sounds really gross, but mites or microscopic like bugs that you can't see that people have on like lashes or lash line. That's why they tell you to use a new mascara every month and throw it away, and why people are so prone to getting eye infections is because mascara can harbor a lot of bacteria because you keep using it, put it back in, and then all the stuff's like brewing in there. So if you put the essential oil in there, it kind of sterilizes it. From what I've researched, it sterilizes the mascara so bacteria can't grow in it anymore. It also makes your mascara smell great, like lavender. And if you put 1 or 2 drops, it doesn't change the consistency of your mascara, but I wouldn't recommend putting any more than that. Just 1 or 2 drops is enough because it could make it too watery or too oily because it is an essential oil. And then also it's hydrating. So first it sterilizes so no bacteria and stuff grows. So then your eyelashes and your lash line is healthy to promote hair growth. Like you don't have eyelashes falling out and loss of growth from bacteria and stuff. It also prevents like eye infections and stuff because it's killing off the bacteria. And I would still replace your mascara every 3 months, but it's just helpful with it. And it is an essential oil. And as you can see, when you pour it out, it is like an oil-like consistency. So the oil itself, like lavender oil, is very nutritious and hydrating for the hair follicle. And if you research it, a lot of studies have said that it's good for hair growth, not just for your eyelashes, but for your hair and stuff too. And it also said that you could use tea tree, but I just find that would burn your eyes because tea trees kind of get like that menthol type of feel. So I've only tried it with the lavender, but I've been using this now for probably like a month. I wanted to try it out first before I recommended it to you guys, and I've really been liking it. I find my eyelashes are longer, thicker. I don't lose that many eyelashes anymore. My mascara smells great, and it just kind of like peps it up a bit so it's not so dry. And yeah, I've been using it now for a month and I don't think I'll ever stop because I always have essential oils on hand because I love them. So it's just another way that you could use something that you already have at home to promote lash growth. So I hope you guys try this video. I hope you like it. Comment below what's your tips and tricks on how you grow your eyelashes faster, and what kind of different stuff different do-it-yourselfs do you use your essential oils for. I'll link the products below that I've tried and that I'm using if you're interested. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting 1 or 2 videos a week, all beauty related content. And comment, let me know what you want to see, and whatever you want to see, I'll try to do that to the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you for all your kind comments and likes. Doing YouTube so far has just been a really positive, friendly experience for me, so I've really been enjoying it. Thank you, and have a great day.